Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I just wanted to wish everyone a happy Labor Day and hope everyone has a great holiday weekend. Today I'm going to go out and try out the new GoPro I got. I got the Go Pro 8 Hero. Thought I'd bring you guys along. Go out and ride the old quad here, the old trusty Honda, and check out the new GoPro 8 here. After this video here, there's going to be a quick announcement about what's coming up on my channel, so I'll stick around for that. But for now, let's get riding. Alright folks, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I think the footage turned out pretty good. I'm going to enjoy this GoPro 8 here. I got the media mod with it too, so I'm going to test that out here. And now for the big announcement here is in September 18th. That's in 12-13 days. I'm going to be heading out west again to Utah. I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to try to live stream as much as the service will allow, and kind of give you guys some videos hopefully every day while I'm out there, and also record a bunch of stuff to release here over the winter. And hope you guys enjoyed last trip. That's about wrapped up, so we're going to start a new one here, and I'm really excited and hope you guys are too. I'll make sure you click that subscribe button and the notifications so you'll get on the times I'm live streaming, and you can check it out, and the other videos I'm going to post. And yeah, I'm really excited. So hope you guys are too, and until next time, stay adventurous.